everyone, how's it going? Hope you're all doing well. Today's video is going to be all about Tomarket's Airdrop and how you can gather as many points as possible to maximize your rewards. We'll cover everything from how your level or tomatoes impact your airdrop eligibility to the countdown to October 31st, when the big TGE event is happening. Before we dive in, if you're new here, make sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on updates. And if you haven't joined our Telegram channel yet, you'll find the link in the description. I regularly post puzzle solutions, updates, and all the projects we're working on. Right now, we have 4 to 5 projects launching this month, and we also have a chat channel where you can ask questions and interact. If you hop over to Tomarket's Telegram community, you'll see an official announcement. The TGE event will be held on October 31st. This is straight from the bot, so there's no speculation or uncertainty. October 31 is the big day for the token launch. Now let's check out the mystery box feature on Tomarket. As soon as you open it, you'll see an option to play with spins. Currently, I have 4 free spins, which means I can spin the wheel 4 times for free. Let's try 1 spin now. All right, let's go for another spin. You can win tomatoes or stars, and the highest prize box generally rewards stars, which help raise your level. If you run out of free spins, don't worry. You can also use your stars inside the app for more spins. Speaking of rewards, some people are winning tokens, and others are getting 10 stars at a time, so the prize boxes are always a random mix. Now, should you invest in the airdrop? That's a personal decision and comes with risks. My advice is only to invest in an airdrop if you're okay with losing what you put in. It's not about betting everything, but rather starting small, like $10. If it works out, great, but only put in what you're comfortable with. Moving on, you'll notice the new user interface. Right at the top is your level, which is something to keep an eye on, because the airdrop depends on it. With just 3 weeks left, you'll need to earn points quickly to boost your level and collect more tomatoes and stars. The fastest way to do this is through paid methods, like buying spins for about 20 stars instead of the usual 25. Those 20 stars cost less than $1, around 70 cents. If you're really into Tomarket and willing to invest, this is an easy way to collect spins, stars, and even Telegram stars for even more spins. However, if you want spins and stars without spending money, focus on referrals. For each referral, you get free spins. Now let's discuss how to earn stars. There are several ways to do this. Play the drop game, complete the daily check-ins, finish tasks, collect as many tomatoes as you can, and complete your daily code. Each of these actions helps you gather stars to level up. As for the token price, while we don't have complete information yet, the current prediction suggests a price range around 0.002. Starting from this price could be promising, and if it stays strong at this level, we might see it grow to 2, 3, or even 4. However, we don't know what the market will look like on October 31st, so this is just an initial forecast. And a quick note on the level tiers. If you're at stone, iron, bronze, silver, or gold, don't worry, you're still eligible for the airdrop. All levels have a share in the project's airdrop. And for more details on daily tasks to earn stars, check out our Telegram channel. That's it for today's update. If there are any further updates or changes to this airdrop, I'll make sure to create another video to keep you all informed. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down in the comments below. I'll do my best to help. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel.